To start us out on our journey, let's take a brief tour on the history of technology tools. Technology tools in the classroom came about in the early part of the 20th century with school museums. These museums had portable museum exhibits, stereographs, slides, films, study prints, and photographs. This became known as the visual instructional movement, where schools used this technology as a medium for instruction. In 1913, Thomas Edison stated, "Books will soon be obsolete in schools. It is possible to teach every branch of human knowledge with the motion picture. Our school system will be completely changed in the next 10 years. Well, 2 years after that, the first drill and practice machine was invented by Sidney Pressley. Then in 1921, students could take classes with the help of radio. The Ohio School of Air sent out a weekly schedule and a monthly corresponding teacher's manual. During World War II, the military used training films to educate their troops. Then, in 1952, NET, or National Educational Television, became the first network to distribute educational programs. That lasted till 1967, when the government took over the network and named it the Public Broadcast Service, or PBS. In 1968, Alan Kay and the Learning Research Group developed the Dynabook, the first computer designed for education. Unfortunately, it did not get funded and the Dynabook was shelved. Then, in 1973, the first cell phone was created, the Motorola 8000X. 1975, the IBM 5000 became the first commercially available portable computer. Macintosh would release its first commercially successful personal computer in 1984. It featured a mouse and a graphic user interface. After 1995, the Internet started to make its way onto the technology platform. With this new technology, advancement in digital tools took off at an alarming rate. One of the high-impact tools that we will explore is the idea of a flipped classroom. The flipped classroom idea emerged in 1995. Then it was called an inverted classroom. In 1996, the Palm OS is released, and mobile learning becomes a possibility. This will lead to another area of high-impact tools in education. In 2001, the Mobile Learn project launches. Then, in 2004, Google announces its Book Search and Google Scholar. In 2005, the One Laptop Per Student initiative produced and shipped the first XO laptops to Shanghai. In 2007, Bergman and Sams discovered PowerPoint software would allow them to record their lessons. In 2010, the Kindle, iPad, Streak, and Slate were all released.